Microsoft has rolled out a new update for its Paint application, introducing Paint Co-Creator, an AI-powered experience fueled by DALL-E. Paint Co-Creator is finally available for almost everyone, reason enough to give it a try. There is even a little guide to get you started. All you have to do is enter an interesting description, called a prompt, and click on the Create button at the bottom. You don't have to come up with something yourself. You can simply use a prompt from one of the many other websites. The Stormtrooper looks good. Hopefully, I'll create something similar that I can sell to George Lucas. Copy the prompt and paste it into Microsoft Paint. Hit the blue Create button and wait a few seconds and watch the magic happen. Not so fast, buddy. Watch what you write. Looks like you're using inappropriate language. Let's try another prompt from the website. This time we were lucky. Medieval German castle seems to be allowed in the Microsoft Cosmos. I have noticed that the output size cannot be influenced. All images are square, no landscape format possible. However, there are some predefined styles that you can choose from. The new MS Paint now supports layers. This is a really handy feature. Another function that has been added is the removal of background images. Compared to other providers, however, this function left a lot to be desired in my test. As you can see here, better results are already a reality today. Perhaps Microsoft will improve the function soon. In direct comparison, the result of the same prompt on the website looks much better than what MS Paint DALL-E produced. Other solutions like Midjourney produce better results. At least that's my impression. Midjourney uses different algorithms, but is more difficult to use than MS Paint. Another thing I noticed is the credit system. With 50 credits, I should be able to create 50 images for free. At the moment, I can't tell how much Microsoft will charge in the future. So, to wrap up this video, the new MS Paint has got some cool features like layers. The results produced look good, but are not impressive in comparison with competitors. The images are always square. No landscape format available. So the question is whether you will pay for this easy-to-use integrated service or if you prefer free alternatives. Leave a comment below. I hope you found this video informative. See you in the next one.